lunch going? Everyone's food looks yummy. Oh! Xavier, did you use your shirt as a napkin? Your shirt is not a napkin. If you need to clean your hands while you eat, use a napkin. You can ask for one. Napkin, please. You can also wash your hands in the bathroom.
Yum, 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 yum.
Uh-oh. Xavier, did you use the wall to clean your hands?
So messy.
Xavier, the wall is not a napkin. We do not wipe our hands on the wall. If you have food on your hands, use a napkin to clean them. So, do you use your shirt to clean your hands?
No.
Do you use your pants to clean your hands?
No.
Do you use the wall to wipe your hands?